If you take the amazing ChatGPT and add it to Google Business Profile, what does it equal? Well, it equals success, it equals business, it equals clients, inquiries and ranking. What will it do? Well, it'll promote you into Google Maps, it'll promote you to be seen, locally speaking, because suddenly you can now complete your Google Business Profile and it barely takes any time at all. So in this video, I'm going to show you why ChatGPT is so helpful and useful for small businesses, how you should use it, some of the dangers you may come across. And it has to be said, I'm shocked at how useful GPT is, and it's only been around for just a few weeks. People are recognizing its true value. And everyone's talking about it, as you can see here.
Someone may use it in a way that is bad.
How many of you know what ChatGPT is?
Artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI.
And it now makes sense why Google put out a red alert recently. Google's concerned that this could change the way that SEO is done. But that may be a good thing, because no longer are people focusing on just useless keywords. They're now focusing on keywords that people really want to find out about. Should Google be worried? Knowing Google, if they were really worried, they'd probably buy ChatGPT out. The two can dovetail together. And that's what we're going to do today for your business. So I'm putting together a list of 5 or 6 factors that Google currently really recognizes. I was thinking of keywords are important, you need to know what they are, reviews and how you answer them, posts, having fresh ideas for posts, maybe offers as well would be good, descriptions, making sure your descriptions are current and make sense and appeal to professionals, and also some ideas as to what photos you should be adding to your Google Business Profile. So can ChatGPT solve all those problems in just a few minutes? Absolutely it can, and I'm going to show you now how it works. Let's jump straight on. ChatGPT, and I'm going to then open this up. So one of the biggest factors is, if I start a new chat, is the fact that it holds context as well to what we write. So if I go here, and whatever your business is, so let's say, for example, you're a plumber. The first thing we're going to do is look at keywords. So I'm going to type in keywords for let's put local plumber. Now, of course, if you've got, say, a gardening business, you put gardeners or landscape gardeners. If you're a doctors, you put doctors. Whatever it is that's referencing to a local business for you that you want keywords for. So we'll just put some keyword ideas. Let's put that in. It's really intelligent because you'll see in a moment how it's going to use these keywords. So ideas for a local plumber. So it's now going to delve into its deep database that's built up to 2021. And it's then going to come up with what people have been typing in, what it considers as useful keywords. So these are realistic keywords for a plumber that will get some type of traffic in Google. So then we've got 10. So here are a few keyword ideas for local plumber. Plumber near me, emergency plumbing services, leak repair. Now this is where it gets really amazing. If you had a review that came in, answer a Google business review, and we're just really talking to it like you talk to a normal person, professionally, using, and we know that to some degree those keywords that we've just got, they're going to be of value, because if someone's searching for your business, those are the keywords that will come up. And if they're in a review or in an answer to a review, there's a chance that Google will just give it that edge, that extra ranking when it comes to producing a local business. Some of the above keywords. Now you would think that it wouldn't be able to handle that. Google certainly wouldn't be able to handle it, but there you go. Here is an example of how you could professionally respond to a Google Business Review using some of the keywords provided. So imagine you get a 5-star review now. So then you can just put dear and then the name of the customer. Thank you for taking the time to leave us a review. We're glad to hear that you had a positive experience with our emergency plumbing services, or whatever it was, obviously. At the new name your business. We take pride in providing high quality leak repair, drain cleaning. Where do you think it's got this drain cleaning, leak repair, emergency plumbing services? Well, you notice emergency plumbing services, leak repair, drain cleaning. These are all kind of naturally mentioned here. So all you need to do is copy and paste that, put that on your next review. And now you've got keywords, but you've also got reviews that have now got those keywords in. But it doesn't just end there. What about this then? Write me a post using those keywords. So if you want to now post, say, a post on Google, maybe an offer even, as I've always said, you need to make sure that you read it through, that it makes sense. Perhaps put your business name in where it's needed. Make sure that the keywords are true and accurate to your business. But this is such a quick basis for writing. So when people get writer's block, they don't know what to write about, this is the way forward. So here we've got 3 or 4 paragraphs. You probably won't want to put all those in. So I go to my web design business. So we go add update, and literally I could, if I was a plumber, I could just put that information from here into there, read it through, make sure it makes sense, add an image, stick a call now to get the phone call. So we've done a post, we've got keywords up here, we've done a reply to review. We also said perhaps we'll do offers as well. So give me a offer that's eye-catching using some of those keywords. Now, can you notice how remarkable this is that we keep referring to those keywords? You could actually, if you wanted to, if there's a particular one that you want to do, say for instance you did, say, leak repairs, then just put that instead. So let's just put, give me an eye-catching offer using, and just put in quotes, leak repair. See what it comes up with. Here's an eye-catching offer using the keyword leak repair. And then you've got leak pane will fix the drain, 25% off. So you see, that just gives you an idea. This offer highlights the problem that customers may be experiencing. So now you've got offers to add as well. So if you want to add offers, you just go into here, add update, add offer. You've got an offer title, and you've got plenty more information you can put in here, even a voucher. You can even have it linked through to your website. And there you go. So you've got an eye-catching 25% off. Now, of course, you might feel that having 10% off is right for your business. So this is just, again, another idea. So we've looked at posts, reviews, offers, keywords. What about rewriting your description? So every business has a description. So on my business here, I've got this description. If I wanted to take my description here, just copy and paste it and just put rewrite my description to appeal to, put professionals. Okay, so it's asking for more information. I forgot to put in my descriptions. You just put that in. Now in this case, because I'm doing a plumber and I'm a web designer, this may not work. Let's see what it does with that. Well, there you go. So it's now rewriting my information. But again, I think when you read it through, it's actually better than what I've written. And I probably would just reread that through and then make some changes if it's needed. But really helpful. That in itself would be great for another post or an article as well. So this is just, again, giving us fresh ideas, fresh content that you can just adapt as you go. Now here's one final one. Let's just go back to the plumber. So we're still on the plumber really. So using those keywords, which keywords? Well, it knows which keywords we're talking about because they're the ones that we had at the beginning of this chat. So it knows it's referring to, is using those keywords. What photos could I add to my Google business? Now, this is quite mind-blowing. It's going to tell you what photos you should be uploading. There you go. Photos of your team at work, showcasing your expertise and professionalism. Before and after photos of web design. And the trouble is I've changed it. So that's where I went a bit wrong. I should have stuck it to plumbing. So let me just put for a plumber. For a plumber. And this is why you have new chats, because you don't really want to be talking about different businesses, which I've really made the mistake of doing here. But again, it's a good teaching of how to do it properly. There you go. So before and after photos of plumbing projects. Images of your plumbing tools and equipment. Photos of completed plumbing installations. This is just giving you some great ideas. So when people run out of ideas as to what they can post photos of, then again, just run through these, get some ideas, and then do what they're saying. So I think you can see it really is great value to give you fresh ideas. And I think it's going to really help build businesses stronger, because they're actually going to be of more value. There's going to be more information that's actually useful. The one thing to be aware of course, is don't just copy and paste it in. Google knows what AI is. If you want to know more about what AI is and how Google can detect it, then there's a really simple way to get a free check on anything you've written, whether you use bots or not. You can get a free check, and I show you how to do it on this video, along with some great other tips as well if you want to use AI and write articles and blogs as well using ChatGPT and a tool that's quite exceptional as well. So I'll see you on that video.